high, ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade is coming at me, I wonder who does it.
I'm going to show you how this face wakes up. Not wake up, but like, I'm gonna do my everyday makeup look. And Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel by Alamasca. This is a really cool primer. It's hydrating, comes with a little dupe spoon. It has like a gel consistency. This is not like my everyday, but this is like my everyday glam. Like if I have a presentation or something that I'm going to be like, need to look presentable in, that's my face. I usually use 3 shades of the Maybelline Fit Me. I use my skin tone, 1 shade lighter and 1 shade darker. If the acne spots are a little bit reddish, I'll go on with the Master Camo Green. I lightly pat a dot. So as you can see now, those are mostly camouflaged. I'll let them sit for a little bit, then I'll add them on with my finger. I usually start with my shade. I will cover all my acne spots with this, the Fit Me 20 concealer. And on top of my zits, I'm gonna put like a dot. So my skin tone is there. I'm not sure if you can tell. I'm gonna now take the lightest shade and I'm going to go under, like do this, then follow under the line, as you can see. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. With this light one also, I'm gonna go middle of my nose like this, on both sides like that. I think contouring, it's really important to know that it differs from a person to another. Depends on your features and on your face. Lastly, I'll take the darkest shade and I'll be contouring. So I'll take from here, then go there, then do the flick to like lift my cheeks up. Then do the same thing. Then do the nose, because the nose takes time too. This makes my nose look way narrower. Connect and go like this. Makeup is fun, so experiment. Don't go right away without like trying things out. You never know what fits your face and what doesn't. So as you can see, slightly, I've contoured everything. I didn't use any foundation. I'm gonna let this dry a bit and then I'm gonna be blending. I usually like to start with like what I've started with first, like to cover my acne spots, and like press on your skin. Don't wipe, boom boom boom. Exercise, dabbing style, dabbing motion, whatever.
On the couch, just coasting. Give him so much he coasting. I got a selfie with Oprah. I'm saying I'm posted. I'm gonna have to play posted. I'm some toasties. I ain't grabbing some soap. But I have like 6 right in your house is no fun. You can come back to my other. You better keep it as fun. The girl, yeah, I can get, 'cause you don't get too many likes.
Now I'm going to blend this as well with the end of my beauty sponge, or whatever you want to call it. All done. Now we're going to be getting our powder. I can use my Chanel powder, which is what I love, but I use that usually for touch-up. I'm going to be using Master Fix with a tip and put under my eyes. You could call this baking. It's really important if you have smiling lines to cover them with powder as well. With this palette from L'Oreal, it is the mini eyeshadow palette. I use my finger. I apply the pinkish tone shade to the edge, this one. Then I'll get the highest tone color and put that over here. Okay, so I have this NYX brown eye pencil. It's medium brown, and I usually go into my waterline. Then I'd flick the end of my waterline with this. With the same pen, I'm going to, I already have like thick eyebrows, so I feel like a very little teeny tiny area here and there. With this brush, I'm going to remove the excess powder that we had. This blusher, I'm gonna take it. It's from a brand called Trended Up. It's only in Germany, so sorry if you don't live in Germany. Take off the axis. Smile. Put a little bit dollop on my nose and take it like that to make my face look more natural. Mascara, I'm using the Colossal Volume Express in brown. And I like brown mascaras. They're not as dramatic as black ones, and they always make you look cooler. I'm going to take my beautiful highlighter, which is the MAC highlighter, this one, and it's in the Show Gold, and apply on the highest cheek point, like that, on my nose bridge, like that, and on my lips. And last but not least, the lipstick. I've been obsessed lately with the Superstay Maybelline, and this is in the shade Rose 135. I usually like to use the tip of any lipstick I have to line my lips slightly. That's one side. You can use the other one to be more glammed up, but I like to wait for this to dry a bit before I go on and use the other side. But the other side makes your lip a little bit more hydrated, which is, I think, essential. We're gonna be setting everything with the NYX Dewy Finish. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.